Don't beat Bubby up.
It's okay. It's okay.
Whoa, Ryan.
Taylor. Taylor. Taylor.
He's a hit and run kind of guy.
Where are you headed, Bubby?
Taylor. Taylor, wait. Taylor.
He's taking his light sword and going on.
Hey.
Maybe he wanted the blue one, that's what it was.
Hold the other end.
There you go.
I'm thinking
Good job.
Too heavy for him. I think that's too heavy for him.
Is it heavy?
Ryan, what about the little one that goes on the end of that one?
Little one? Oh, I didn't attach it.
I know. Can he just have the little one?
No.
Bye, Taylor.
Hey! No, Taylor! Taylor!
With a passy in his mouth. What a tough fighter. I know. I know.
There's the blanket.
Taylor.
A Jedi needs his blanket. I know.
Well, listen, y'all sword fight not in Honey's face.
May the force be with you.
Taylor! Taylor!
I don't know where he's going.
I have to have this one.
He must like the blue one for some reason. Right?
He likes both of them.
Well, then he has nobody to fight with.